In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new user in Salesforce. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with permission to manage users, since this task is typically reserved for administrators. Ready? Start by going to the gear icon in the top right corner of Salesforce. Click it, and choose Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the full setup area, where all the administrative tools live. On the left side, you'll see a search bar within the Setup menu. Type Users and select the Users option that appears. This opens the Users page, where you can view everyone who currently has access to your Salesforce org. It's helpful to scan this list first to confirm the person you're adding isn't already there, and to get a sense of how your team is structured. To add someone new, look toward the top right of the Users page and click New. You're now on the New User form. Here, enter their email address carefully. Accuracy matters because Salesforce will use this address to send the invitation. Next, choose a profile for the new user. The profile determines what they can see and do in Salesforce. Think of it as their permission level. Common profiles range from read-only or standard user access to more powerful administrative options. When in doubt, pick the least privileged profile that still lets the person do their job. You can always adjust later. Depending on your organization's setup, you may see additional fields, but for this walkthrough, focus on entering the email and selecting the correct profile. Once those details look right, click Send Invitation. That's it on your side. Salesforce will immediately send an email to the address you provided, inviting the person to join your org. From there, the new user needs to accept the invitation from their inbox. If they haven't used Salesforce before, they'll be guided to create a Salesforce account during the acceptance process. They'll set up their login details and may be asked to verify their identity. Remind them to check their spam or junk folder if they don't see the email within a few minutes, and to use the same email address you entered. And that's all it takes. You opened Advanced Setup, found the Users section, reviewed the existing list, clicked New, entered their email, chose the appropriate profile, and sent the invitation. Keep best practices in mind. Double-check email spelling and assign the right profile, and you'll have a smooth onboarding experience every time.